The speaker's gone bad. First thing you're gonna do is remove this panel right here behind the handle. He's using scissors, but you gotta use a panel popper to remove it. Or if you happen to have just the scissors, you can use that. Make sure it's a good one, just like this watch. Remove the screws. Alright, this is an over-engineered door panel. So what you're going to have to do is, there are clips around here. Then there are two metal clips right here, right about my finger. That actually clips in this way. But once it's locked in, it's impossible to squeeze them and pull out. It basically has to slide upward to release that. Then we're gonna have to put the metal clip back in to place to lock in place. So just like lift up this top corner out first. Yep. Then slide upward. Entire door panel slide up. Yep. Slide up. Yep. There we go. So I'm gonna show you. See these two metal clips right here? That actually slid into these two holes here. So when you put the door panel back in, I'm going to take this out. So these clips right here, they went in like this. So in order to take the door panel out, you lift out the top section like this. Then you slide the entire door panel upward, and basically you are doing this. So you're not popping it out, because this, once you spread out into the door panel, it's impossible to get it out. So again, you lift up this outer way like this and pull it upward. That releases these two metal clips here like that. So you can take the entire door panel out. To put it back in, these has to go in there first, because if you put this one here, it's going to be real difficult to slide into that groove there. So you put those two panels back into place. There's the other one. So the other one, it goes into there. So once you finish replacing the speaker, we are changing our speakers. Once you change out the speakers, you just put it back in and push inward like that. So we're gonna take this out. This one, unplug. You gotta undo this one. You gotta slide this one. You gotta slide this one out of ways to release. Alright, so you slide this one upward like this, then that will let you disconnect this plug. Alright, let's just leave it like this. You gotta detach this cable too, but we're not gonna do that. So what you're gonna do is this one, as you can see, is about 1.5 inch space on it. So normally we just cut this inner cone out and put new speakers over existing basket here. Hello. So on passenger side, The light green is the positive side. Driver's side is a 10 is the positive side. Right, this is the dash cam, rear cam. We mount it right there. It's kind of flush. We ran the wire back up to the front to the dash cam.
Préstame el drill.
Wait, it looks like that.
Préstame el drill.
Wait.
¿Tienes the screws?
This one you can actually adjust the angles like that. Just good.
Tutorial.
And Ricardo's.
Go auto sound.
Yeah, gordos.
Check. Ricardo's.
Okay, we grab the light green wire. It's hard to see it, but right here on this harness coming down from the top trunklet, right here, there's a light green wire coming down. That is a reverse wire.
Hey, boom, 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 boom. You hear it?
So you dreaming with that guy, man?
That's it.
It's not like that. I need real music, not with that guy with a 30 subscribers and shit. Yo, he